Disabling two-factor authentication on Apple Pay can help simplify your login process, but it's important to consider the security implications. Follow these steps to turn off this feature. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to your device's home screen and tap on the Settings app to access your device's settings. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Password and Security. In your account settings, find and select the Password and Security option to manage your security settings. Step 4. Turn off two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication section. If it is currently enabled, tap on it and follow the prompts to disable it. You may need to answer security questions or provide additional verification. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, review your settings to ensure the changes have been applied. You may want to log out and back into your Apple Pay to confirm that it is functioning without two-factor authentication. Remember that disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so proceed with caution. Always consider the risks before making changes to your security settings.